Hey guys, and welcome to this video. 3 minus 2 times 3 minus 1. Now 3 minus 2 gives us 1, and 3 minus 1 gives us 2. Now 1 times 2 gives us 2, but this answer is not correct. According to the rules of mathematics PEMDAS, we have to solve this math expression in this way: first parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and then addition or subtraction. According to this rule, we have one multiplication here that we have to solve it first. So 2 times 3 gives us 6. Now let's rewrite the expression: 3 minus 6 minus 1. Now, as we know, when we have more than one subtraction in one expression, we have to solve from left to right. So 3 minus 6 gives us negative 3, and negative 3 minus 1 gives us negative 4. The final answer is negative 4. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this video.